gonna grill some pork chops on the Onyx XL, and we're gonna season them up here a little bit. Of course, I like my SPG, and we're gonna sprinkle that on a bit. And I'm gonna be using, let me take, yeah, it's open, okay. I thought I had. And I am going to be using this Kent Rawlins rib rub on these pork chops, because he said you could use it on anything, or thereabout. So I'm not going to put it on there heavy, but we're going to add a little bit to them, and we're going to set them on the grill here in a little bit. And a little bit of my SPG on that side, a little there, a little there. Yeah. Man, I tell you what, we got pork chops we ain't ever ate yet. We'll be back. Let's get them chops set in there. Close the lid on it. I'm going to start searing them here in a little bit. Put the final touches on it. They are looking pretty good. Yeah. And we have our grill set at 250 degrees target temperature. It's right on for some reason. All right, we're going to do some searing here. Over there. And they are looking pretty good. Now that looks mighty good. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.